So I have this Lumex Crossbeats projector, portable projector. So the issue what I faced within like 6 months after using this is that it got all hazy. So I realized that there is some dust inside the lenses maybe. Now I'm in middle of cleaning it. Then I'm recording this video, but I've cleaned most part of it. What happens is you can see here little bit. I'll move the projector. That is dust. If you can see, it moves with the light, so that is dust, not anything on my wall. Okay, just a minute. Yeah. So you can see here this is a bit, if it is clear, and below this Disney also you see some spots. Okay, on this YouTube also you see some spots. So those are dust. What I faced is this thing, it was all hazy at the down. This whole part was hazy, all grayish. I have cleaned most of it. I'll show you how it is done. Okay. So this is the projector. Okay. I had this toolbox, screwdriver set basically. I thought I have to open it and do something. Then I remember I got this box. What it had is the cleaning brush. Now this is just a simple straw, and this brush, this is not wool or cotton, this is a proper synthetic fabric. It is like so you must have got this with your projector. I don't know if only Crossbeats provides it or other projector also provides it. So yeah, now what you have to do is remove this. I would suggest do not turn on the projector yet. All you have to do is remove this back cover. So it was like this. You would see there is a back cover over here. What you simply do, take a small pin, maybe SIM ejector tool or something. There is a small hole in the bottom. It is open. I have not closed it, so I can just pull it off my nails. No, it got fixed. Just a minute. Just a minute. Okay. So tie USB type, USB-B, mini HDMI 3.5 mm for 3.5 mm aux for your audio, infrared receiver, power cable, power switch, power light. Let's go see the lenses. You see, so you can turn the video a bit. See, this is the main diffuser or scatterer, that I would say, this where I'm touching this fabric. Do not touch anything, like just touch, do not press on anything. Okay, this side, this middle thing, that is the LCD lens, and this side again we have a lens. Okay, so what happens, the dust that accumulates in the video, you would see the dust in the bottom. So you think that okay, I'll clean the bottom of this, but no. What projection does, there are multiple lenses. I can't explain the lens theory now, but it inverts the image, right? If you have seen pinhole cameras and all, Even normal cameras, I guess, they invert the image, the lens cameras. So the dust accumulates at the top, this side. If you look closely after opening it, you would see the dust. Here I can't show it to you. Okay. And this middle one, that is very very sensitive. Do not apply a bit of pressure. Just touch the fabric and remove it. While doing this, you can, I would say, don't turn on the projector while you're doing this. Once you have experience, you have done it 1 or 2 times, then you can experiment with it. Okay. And again, it is on you, your money, your wish, whatever you want. So now I'll turn it on. Okay. Let me see if I can show you the dust. You see there are small particles over there, and the main dust that settles is not from this side, it is from this side, this thin side. See, there's Crossbeats, that symbol just came up. Okay. So there's the display, the black and white checkbox sort of thing to align. You see the, now you can see the channels, YouTube, Amazon and all. So the dust that accumulates, it accumulates in the top. See, there's a little bit of dust you can see in this corner where I am pointing my this fabric. So that little dust is showing in my projection. So happy cleaning.